Good evening, Golden Bear families. I'm Mrs. Randall, and I'd like to welcome you to our TVHS Back to School Night virtual style. Tonight, I'm going to share with you a little bit of information about our digital media arts course, what you can expect, what students are learning, and what they have already embraced in this new online journey that we're doing together. So let's dive right into our digital media arts course. First off, I'd like to introduce myself a little bit. I have a bachelor's degree in psychology from UC Santa Barbara. I also hold a master's degree in curriculum and instruction with an emphasis in CTE leadership. And my single subject credential is in industrial and technology education. I'm proud to say that this is my 16th year teaching in the Temecula Valley Unified School District. So a brief overview of our class. Digital Media Arts is a year-long course. It's broken down into 4 primary units, 2 of which video production and social media marketing will be covering in first semester. And then second semester, we dive into graphic design and some web design. We do use a variety of different digital software programs. Many of these are part of the Adobe Creative Cloud. While we're in this online environment, we'll be using some free software that works on all devices. And when we return to the classroom, we'll be diving into Illustrator, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and Audition. Students will be creating a variety of different design projects. Some of these types of projects include things like logo designs and business cards, anywhere from event posters to public service announcement videos or interviews and documentaries. Students will be learning techniques on how to write and create and record podcasts, along with layouts for web pages, web graphics, and a little bit of web coding as well. I want to share with you a little bit about our weekly class structure. Mondays are asynchronous only, which means that I'll be posting a variety of activities that students can log into Canvas and do independently on their own. For periods 4 and 5, we meet on Wednesdays and Fridays. We start every class period with a synchronous live Zoom meeting. Those Zoom links can be found at the top of the homepage in Canvas under the announcements. Please note that every student must log in to the Zoom meeting with their TVUSD school account. Following those synchronous Zoom meetings, I will be posting activities, asynchronous and independent activities that allow students the opportunity to demonstrate the knowledge and the skills that we've been working on and practicing in class. This is their opportunity to apply what they're learning and demonstrate mastery. This is an example of one of our weekly modules. Every Monday morning, I post a module that gives an overview of all of the assignments and activities that students can expect to work throughout the week. As you can see here, I put the week number, whatever our content is that we're going to be learning that week. Monday activities are posted right underneath that. Every Monday, I post a discussion board question, and this is an opportunity for students to create a post of their own, and then it really elicits that classroom community and discussion and feedback between students as they reply to 2 of their peers. These discussion board questions are due every Friday. And then as you can see down here, day 1 activities and day 2 activities are what we do during those Zoom meetings and then following the Zoom meetings on their own. Okay, grades are based on several different categories. So you see those discussion board questions and class participation is worth 20% of their grade. The projects that they create, which tend to take multiple weeks, those are 40%. They're like the assessments or the tests to show mastery of the skills. A digital portfolio, which is 20% of their grade. Quizzes, which are 10% of their grade, and their final exam or project at the end of each one of those large units is also 10% of their grade. This class does meet the A through G letter F VAPA requirement, and I'm really excited to say that we have our local community college, MSJC, has partnered with us to create an articulation agreement that if students receive an A or B both first and second semester, and they receive at least a 70% on the final exam or project, they can be awarded 3 units of college credit. In digital media arts, we focus on being professional, learning career readiness skills, and how we can apply what's being learned towards the real world. Lastly, I want to share with you the best way to contact me is through email. You can reach me at krandall@tvusd.us, or you can message me directly in Canvas. I want to thank you and wish you a good evening.